Hello, my beautiful people of God. Greetings to you all. Today again, let's make these banana cakes together. Hey, this is what you are interested to see. Make yourself comfortable. For this recipe, I will be using just 3 bananas. So mash it until it become a liquid form. And once I am done, I will put it aside. I will go ahead and grill the pan. Grilling it is when the cake is ready, you can easily pull it out from the pan. Help me to share this video in all your platform. Once I am done with this, I'll put it aside. I'll go ahead and sieve all the dry ingredients together. This one is the flour. I'll add a baking powder to it, a pinch of salt, a baking soda. I'm using 1 spoon. Feel free to check the measurement in the description box. And in case if you have a challenge or checking it in the description box, at the end of this video, I will also be displaying it for you also. Once you are done, just stir it gently like this. I'm using a room temperature butter with salt. This is a brown sugar. I'll go ahead and mix it with a low speed for about 3 minutes. So after 3 minutes, I will gather the edges. I'll add the mashed bananas to it. I'll go ahead and use a spatula to fold it. So for this recipe, I'm using 2 eggs. I will add it one after the other. So this is the first one. I'll go ahead and add the second one. The next, I will add a vanilla flavor to it. I'll add milk. I'll go ahead and add these chocos to it. Walnut, I'll go ahead and break it into pieces. Last but not the least, I will add the flowers to it. I'll go ahead and fold it with a spatula. At this time, make sure you are not using a spatula to work with it. You can also use a wooden spoon. So keep folding it until you cannot see a trace of these white flowers on it again. So once this one is perfectly okay, it's like this, I'll take it straight to the pan that I earlier greased. So before this point, I have started preheating my oven even before I started. So I'm going to be using 200-degree very height. So once you are done putting the mixtures, make sure you heat it once or twice. So this chocolate, I will just go ahead and sprinkle it just on the surface, and it's optional. Guys, after 35 to 40 minutes, so this is the end result. It's really creamy, soft, and the taste, my God, I can't really express it or explain it. It tastes good and it's very, very soft. Can you see the color? So adorable. Can you see how the dance of the pans looks like? And if you watch up to this point, thanks so much and I truly appreciate. And to all my returning subscribers, from the bottom of my heart, I appreciate you and I'm sorry you almost escaped me. Thank you for watching. Thank you for always tuning in again. And if today is your first time coming across this channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Be a part of this humble family so that whenever we upload a new video, you will be first to be notified, and we will upload this soon again. Thanks so much and help me to share this video. Please and please help me to give this video a big thumbs up, like the video. So here is the ingredients again in case you are making yours. Bye bye.